Hey champions, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing 9 simple strategies to turn your knowledge into profitable income. Let's get into today's video quickly. What if I told you the same tactics in addictive games like Candy Crush or Clash of Clans can be used to build your dream knowledge business? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth: games are not just entertainment, they are behavior of design system. And in this video, I'm going to show you 9 simple gamification strategies to help you turn your knowledge into a profitable income while having fun doing it. Most mid career professionals are sitting on gold mine of knowledge, but they don't act on it because they feel overwhelmed. They don't know where to start. They lose motivation of way. They're scared of failing. What if you could rewire your brain to stay consistent and just like a game keep you hooked? That is the power of gamification. Let me share 9 simple gamification strategies how to convert your knowledge into a online profitable digital coaching business. Step number 1: experience points. Track everything you do, every small task, like a watching video, writing your niche, posting online, give you experience points. This gives your brain a sense of progress. Number 2, level ups. Create level for your learning journey. When you complete a course, that you can keep it as a level 1. If you are building a funnel, you just keep it like a level 2. Launch webinar, that we can keep at level 3. It makes your growth visual and addictive. Number 3, leaderboard. Inside our community, you can see who ranking on top, completing all challenges. This healthy competition drive performance. You will want to show up and stay consistent. Number 4, daily missions. Instead of long term goals, give yourself daily missions. Example: post one reel every day, write your course outline, record 2 minutes video. The brain love checking off wins like mini dopamine boost. Number 5, badges and achievements. Give yourself badges. If you are starting something new, course starter, you just give a badge like webinar launcher. And if you identify 5 leads, you can give a badge of you find your first 5 leads. And once you started earning from your tribe, you just give a badge that you earn 10K club. You are no longer working, you are unlocking achievements. Number 6, community points. Reward community action. Help a peer, you will get plus 5 points. If you attend a session, you will get 100 points. If you share your win, you will get 200 points. Suddenly, the community becomes game where everyone wins. Number 7, streak system. Streaks create identity. Yeah, I have shown up 7 days in a row. I'm someone who is consistent. Break a streak, you feel it. So, this drives emotional accountability. Number 8, boss levels. Create a challenge where your knowledge is tested. Example, run your first webinar, sell your first product, record 3 YouTube videos in a week. These boost levels push you beyond your fear and given real sense of mastery. The ninth, rewards plus real ROI. And finally, make sure there is a reward at the end. This could be money, freedom, recognition, and time with family. Tie every action to real life benefit. Gamification is about fake fun. It's about making your journey meaningful. So, if you have ever struggled with procrastination or you started building your digital coaching brand but lost motivation, the answer is not discipline, it is gamification. When you bring this system into your journey, your brain will want to grow, build, and take action daily. Inside my Career Clarity Collective Hub, we have created a system, Career Clarity Freedom System. We have gamified the entire path to clarity, confidence, and consistent income. No more guesswork, no more isolation. Join my free Spicy Career Clarity Masterclass to experience how this works, where I will teach you 3 secrets: clarity, direction, and freedom. Click link below in my description to join my free 90 minutes masterclass and unlock your first mission. Let's build it together. Let's make your next move just be powerful, playful, and deploy purposeful. It's not just profitable, it will help you to gain you confidence, clarity, and you can create impact on your own terms. Thank you for watching. Click a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.